Get off me. Go.
I'll give you a piece.
To go through those progressions and read the details.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
Live the king. Come on, get up here.
Pero dejen abrir de Walking Dead. Ay, Dios mío.
You're so cute. Are you embarrassed? You're so sweet.
Pop the package up here.
Wait.
Uga.
There's the catnip.
Does anyone have any advice?
Oh no!
My little baby, we're besties.
Oh. Ah.
Kitty, what are you doing out here? Did I not see you before?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
This is exotic.
I'll see you!
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Get off the table! Off the table!
Okay.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
What are you doing?
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
I need to go to the Batcave. Batman.
I'll give you my address.
Ice, ice, baby.
Meow.
So if Michelle starts, she gets out.
What the fuck? Don't
Holy
May I have your smelly bird?
Butter?
¿Viste? You actually did this?
The water good too.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Beat that.
Beat that.
Master Chief, face the camera.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Do it.
Kill autumn.
He smells it.
Sweet baby, what'd you bring me? You found a hot dog.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed. Hey! Okay.
Exactly. You tell them, Robert. You tell them. Yeah.
Tres. Do you not like it?
I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. There's you coming. Oh, my God.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?